Hello, in front of me I have ULEFONE Armor X5 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. First, let's open the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen and then tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down and tap on the security and location. Here scroll down and select encryption and credentials. And right here at the bottom we have a clear credentials option. Let's tap on it and tap OK to confirm. And that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.